Good. Right. If you want to program, rotate the oil. Only the oil. Fuel tank. Your kidney. Dry tank. Your temperature and water. If you want to create water, your water. Kidney. Chemical and water. Heating and temperature. Only change. Set for change. Switch. Just open. Just open. No. Set for check. Speed plug. If occur. Listen. Just okay. Set for start. Set for memo start. Push to oil bubble. When the gasoline prepare, just okay. No need to push too much. If you push too much, the machine will not work, no start. Like this, just okay. This for stop the machine. Push, machine will stop. Push start long time. That's wrong. If you want to start, push long time, like this. These two valves must be closed before the machine starts. Only can open them when the machine working. If you want to stop the machine, must be close these two valves. Then stop the machine. Pull to time, the machine will not start. You see? Will not start. Please like to this. Push start long time, just okay.